So typically when we're done working on a branch, we should merge it into master and then delete it. Now, sometimes we may forget to delete a merged branch, so that branch will be sitting there, and after a while, we may forget that we already merged that branch into master. So let me show you how to view the list of merged and unmerged branches. So currently we're on the master branch. To view the list of branches that we have merged into the current branch, which is master, we type git branch -- merged. So all these branches have been merged into master, and we can say that it's safe to delete them if you're done working on these branches. So as a best practice, whenever you're done working on a branch, you should delete it. Otherwise, that branch or that pointer will be sitting there and creating confusion in the future. So here we can say git branch -d bugfix/login for. Here in the branch command, we also have another option called no merged. This returns the list of branches that have not been merged into the current branch. So currently all our branches have been merged, and that's why we don't see anything in the output.